Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here filming a little get ready with me. And if you want to see how to recreate this look, then keep on watching. All the products that I use will be listed down below, so let's go ahead and jump in. There's no purpose. I ain't gonna teach you shit in this video. The whole purpose of this video, I figured today, would be because I am zinging right now off of a cold brew and a large coffee because I'm reckless. I thought it would be fun. I needed to film a favorites video. And obviously, I wanted to dress nice for the favorites video. I thought it would be fun to sit here and just film a get ready with me. I feel like the only videos I make recently are get ready with me's, but I think they're so much fun and you get to see who I am as a person. Oh shit. You know, I do this every time. Hey, first off, I'm flashing myself because I'm staring right into the ring light. You know, I like to check in with my internet friends just because it's what I do. It's just what we do. I think in terms of, why is that just my face? Is that just what I look like? Oh, damn, blame to your eyebrow. Huh. You know what's gonna really suck? This crash that's coming. The inevitable is coming. Oh boy, okay. Sounds right. It's almost a full year of the pandemic. It's almost a full year since I've been able to go anywhere, do anything. And I think back to when this pandemic started. And to where we are now, it's bananas. En route to Greece. And if I would have known that was the last time that I could have traveled for a foreseeable future, I don't know if I would have done anything different, but it's just crazy to think we flew to Greece before the start of a pandemic. I don't even think I can imagine what life is like before a pandemic. The other day I was somewhere and, just thinking about
how different life is, since the pandemic, and how unsanitary we were before. I know eventually we will be able to resume travel again, but I think for whatever reason, it's just kind of until I know for certain when I can plan a trip, it's just I'm still sitting on eggshells about it. It's been a whole year since I've left New York State. That's nuts. That's the longest I've stayed stationary in forever. I'm gonna film this video and I'm gonna wonder why. Why did I do it? Because I was zinging on coffee and I thought it would be a fun idea to watch me try to put on eyeliner or anything with a shaky hand. That would be fun. Doing a drunk tutorial. Here we go. We're gonna have real talk. I figured out what we're talking about today. This is not anything new and original, as most of my content. So 110% cannot take credit for this. Let's play the drunk name game. So your drunk name, which this all originated from the pioneer of YouTube, Jenna Marbles. You may remember this video. If not, let me educate you. The drunk name game is the first letter of your first name, first letter of your last name, switch them. So Sarah Lokker becomes Lara Soccer. We all do some pretty dumb stuff when we're drunk. I know myself for sure. So it's easier to just pin the blame on somebody else, right? I've made mention of Lara on this channel a handful of times, but I don't think the internet really knows Lara. You guys know Lara. Obviously the internet, and if you follow me on Twitter, knows Lara. In fact, it's in my bio. YouTube has ever seen Lara or acknowledged the fact it was Lara, besides maybe in my Drinking Around the World video from Epcot. Now we're all participating. Now, you're gonna ask me, Sarah, what happens if my first letter of my first name, first letter of my last name match? Well, you're already too messed up to play the game. I don't know, you can't play. I'm gonna tell you. So Lara's been around since I have been 21. It's funny because people ask nicknames, what do people call you? What's your nickname? And Lara has become a nickname. I've been told that people like Lara more than they like Sarah. I believe it. Only way I can describe Lara is she's kind of Biggie and Tupac. She just has a legacy about her. Because I'm zinging off of caffeine, it just felt appropriate to talk about Lara. She's here with us. She's the little voice of God that's I'm still here. I don't know. It felt right. It felt natural. Lara is the drunk alter ego. She's a fun time. Maybe we'll do a video with her in the future. Obviously, we all have drunken tales. That sounds like DuckTales. Ooh. Lara moments. Take the marbles out of your mouth. I was just talking about this with one of my friends last night. My favorite Lara moments. I think arguably one of my favorite Lara moments is about the time during the summer that I was 21. I lost my debit card. Let me paint the picture for you. The summer I turned 21, where I live, there is a brewery that has like summer outdoor parties every Thursday night. So we went out to the brewery that has, you know, these things, and we bar hopped down the street. It's like a main street, and they have a bunch of different bars. It's basically like a bar crawl every weekend. Order our drinks, we're hanging out, having a good time, and one of my friends comes up to me and she gives me a glass, and it's like neon blue, and she goes, "Here." I go, "What's this?" And she just says the words, "Adios, MF." Young impressionable me, 21 years old, I'm like, okay, sure. And the rest of the night is gray. I don't remember anything. Based on the accounts of other people, what they've told me, this is basically what happened. I more or less danced all night, jumped off a curb, busted my shit, and then lost my debit card somewhere in the process of all of this. We're driving back home to go stay at one of my friend's houses. Obviously, we are drunk white girls, so what do we need to do? We need to go to McDonald's. I go to pull out my wallet, and I go to pull out my debit card. I don't have my debit card. Remember, at the start of the night, I had an Adios MFer handed to me. And for those of you that don't know what an Adios MFer is, it is every alcohol in a glass. I do what any responsible adult would do, and I call my bank to cancel the card. Sarah wanted to call the bank to cancel the card. Lara said, "Give me the phone." I'm in the back seat of my friend's car, shithouse drunk. I'm trying to tell the woman on the phone my social security number. That should be a number that's ingrained in your brain. I explained to her that I lose my debit card and I would like to cancel the card. I would like to shut the card off because I don't know where it is. Not that I have very much money in my account, but I don't want anybody having that $100. I'm 21, I'm young, I don't have any money. Asking me like, you know, all this personal information so that way she can confirm it's my card number. And my friend's in the front seat and she goes, "Lara, what do you want?" In the back seat, using my best customer service voice, trying to cancel my debit card. I hear, "Lara, what do you want?" And immediately all professionalism goes out the window. See to say, ma'am, can you hold on one moment, please?" "Sure, Sarah." "Can I get chicken nuggets? Large fry? And a Coke?" I get back on the phone and immediately go back to my best customer service voice, getting ready to cancel the card. And my friend is sitting in the back seat, bewildered at what just happened. I'm like, "Ma'am, thank you so much. You've been so helpful. Like, what was your name? I'll be sure to give you a great review. Thank you so much. Bye." Hang up the phone. I look at my friend, I go, "What?" She goes, "I have never seen anybody adult like that." I go, "Where my nuggets at?" I'm like feeling like this video is stupid. How'd that happen? Seriously, that's the best my eyeliner has ever looked freehand. Watch me not be able to do it on this eye. Yep. Can I get firm? Wait. Hold on. Shut the fuck up. How is that possible? I've got the shakiest hands right now, and I literally just went copy and paste. That's why I just went copy and paste on my eye. Unreal. They're twins. And it's like the cleanest, like look at this shit. This is the cleanest my eyeliner has ever looked. And I am zinging off of caffeine right now. Ow, that hurt. I have no idea how that happened. Ooh. Did the camera go blurry or did I go blurry? Let's get back to our conversation here. We derailed. We talked about a lot of things here. Let me do my mascara and then we'll bring it in for real talk. The question that I have for the group chat is, what kind of videos do you want to see from me? The reason why I asked this question is because it's been a year that I've like revitalized the channel. I love doing this. Like, I love standing in front of you guys, chit-chatting, bullshitting, talking about stuff. Is there something in particular that you'd want to see from me? Informal get ready videos? Do we like where I just kind of sit and talk to you guys about like things, topics, whatever we want to discuss? Do you like more educational tutorial videos? Do you like fashion videos if I do try-ons and hauls and stuff? Like my favorite videos. Ooh. That was very emo of you. See, the video is still coming. I just don't know what kind of videos you guys want to see. The informal, me goofing around kind of videos. Do you like the tutorials where I teach you how to do stuff? Not very well, but like, do we like those? Realistically, I'm probably gonna keep doing what I'm doing here, but if you guys have video recommendations, let me know in the comments below. So thank you guys again so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like my videos and if you like my content and if you like me, feel free to subscribe by hitting the button down below and getting notified when I post new videos. I will be sure to link my website down below where you guys can go see what I'm up to over at sarahlock.com, 2H's. And I'll also be sure to list all my social media profiles down below too, so you can follow me wherever I might be. With that said, I'm gonna go ahead and go. So thank you guys again so much for watching. Take care, love you always, stay safe, and until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye. All I'm gonna say is good luck to you because, like, good luck editing this. I don't know what happened either. You want to try that again? We're soaring, flying. There's not a star in heaven that we can't reach with cold brew. One coat, two. 2, 1. I am so sorry you had to listen to that. Wow, 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 wow. Reckless. Ah! Great in theory, not so great in practice. And like, ooh. To film a get ready while I am completely zinging off of caffeine. I almost said something else. Ooh, I have an itch. Oh, baby, you got what I need. But you say he's just a friend. Keep running into that, Sarah. Just keep running. Oh, therapy. Ha! Wow. Oh boy. It just seems like, oh, what's this? Slow down.